Hey everybody.
Hi, happy Monday.
Happy Monday, right?
Yep.
We're right over here by the One Euphoria. And One Euphoria has some nice rooms here and a nice restaurant. We're gonna see if they let us see a room. Had a couple of requests from subscribers to take a look at the One Euphoria's price list and maybe see a room. So here we are. Here's a little look at what we're talking about.
It's a very nice building.
Yeah, it's a nice place right over here, right down the street from Tequila Reef. We just finished up our little breakfast club meeting.
Get together. Yeah.
Thought we'd walk down and see what's happening at the One Euphoria. Let's go take us a look.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Oh, they got a menu board here for the restaurant on the top floor. We haven't eaten here. We might have to give it a try. What's the name of the restaurant? Royal Indian Curry House. Oh, it's right here. So here's the menu of the Royal Indian Curry House right here. They got a nice board. Looks good. I love Indian food.
Oh, me too.
Heard a lot of good things about it. So maybe we'll give it a shot. Taste us some Indian food for lunch today.
Why not?
Yeah, right. All right, here's the lobby, guys. They got a nice Christmas tree up here. Check it out. Beautiful. Entryway here. Looks like they have a little coffee shop over here as well. And some desserts. Get you some juice, coffees, frappes, smoothies, a few desserts. And there's Mercy. So they've agreed to show us a room or two, guys. We'll get to see a room here and get you the rates.
We have the prices right
Got the
here.
price list.
And
So here's a 2-bedroom, everybody. We're gonna take a look at. And it's unfurnished. This one's unfurnished. And is this something you would rent monthly, or is it only for sale? This one's for sale. Okay, so you got a little balcony out here. This one's for sale.
Oh, look at the view.
Nice view out here of the mountainside and everything. I'll take a step out here if it's unlocked. There we go. Let everybody see the balcony area.
It's a long balcony.
It's a nice sized balcony. 105 square meters. All right, nice view here. I like the view. It's a nice clear day today. It's facing what?
Clarkview.
Oh yeah, yeah. Clark View, yeah.
Very nice.
You can see the SM Clark right across the way. Very nice. All right, and this goes into the bedroom. And this is still in some, having some work being done, but again, this is a unit that is for sale, not for rent. Looks like there's still some work to be done in the bathrooms as well. No power.
Oh, yeah.
Can't really give you a look in here without the light. It's a nice big shower. Very modern.
The closet is pretty big.
Big walk-in closet. Oh yeah. Very nice. And this is the other side here.
So this one is one and the other one is
Yes,
oh, no,
bedroom.
this is one and that one is another one.
Oh really?
Bedroom. This one is the master bedroom.
That's the master. Okay, and then you got like a little kitchen area here. Sorry about the lighting, folks. There's no electricity on in here right now, but get the idea. And another bathroom, the main bathroom, which is also attached to this doorway to the bathroom. So you got 2 bedrooms here, very nice.
Closet.
Little closet area back here.
Okay. There's a bathroom here.
And what is the price for this unit?
For this one is 21,522,000.
21 million
For sale.
for sale. 21,522,000.
Yes.
Okay. Is there a monthly maintenance fee that you have to pay?
Our monthly dues is 75 pesos. last time, multiplied by the square meter.
Okay. So you multiply it by the square meters of the unit is what you pay monthly for maintenance. And that gives you access to, I guess there's a gym and there's a pool and all that. All right, very nice.
It's 7,935 monthly dues.
7,000?
930.
So almost 8,000 pesos a month for your monthly dues when you purchase this unit. Nice looking unit. All right, let's go on to the next one. What else do you have to show us? All right, we're going to show you another one here. Get you another choice right here. We're on the 16th floor, by the way. And this is a 1-bedroom. All right. So this is about a 26 square meter apartment, 1-bedroom. Nice little bathroom area here we can walk into. We got plenty of light in this one, natural light to see. Yeah, got a Mount Orion view from this balcony. Very nice.
We're at the 16th floor.
16th floor. Honestly, I like the other view better. I mean, it's always nice to see the Mount Orion.
Yeah, the other side.
I like the other one, the Clark view side, a little better. But this is a nice option as well for a 1-bedroom. And another big walk-in closet here.
That's a closet.
Yep. Got the coffered ceilings. And we'll take a look in here. What's this? Another bathroom? Oh, just storage, little storage area. Okay, storage unit. So this has the 1 bathroom only. Dual access from the main area of the home to the bedroom. And the price of this one?
This one is 15,317.
15,317,000. I'll put the conversion rates as well, and that's also divided your square footage for the monthly maintenance cost that you have to pay every month as well. All right, we're going to look at the pool area first, outside here. Nice little hot tub area right here.
You can see the Mount Orion. That's the Mount Orion.
Yeah, with a Mount Orion view. And then you got the view over here as well, though. The Clark view on this side. Very nice pool. Got one of those infinity looking pools here. Beautiful. You've got a little hot tub area right here. Nice. Very nice, right?
They have jacuzzi.
So this is the Royal Indian Curry House here. We were looking at the sign down below before we walked up. Now we're going to go take a look at the gym. Like I need that. Okay, there's a bar over here, the Clouds Bar. It's under construction right now. They're still working on it, so that's not open yet. Give you a little sneak peek. They're in the process of getting this one ready. So that'd be nice to get up here and have a nice drink when it's finished. We're gonna show you the gym real quick here. Fitness gym. And it looks like they have some nice modern equipment in here. All kinds of machines here. Got you a little speed bag. Oh, Mercy can practice her kicking. Her kicks, boom. The gym overlooks the swimming pool.
Mexico? I'm American, but I was born in Mexico. But I live in the Yes.
Mercy's always having to explain her ethnicity to everyone.
But I understand a little bit because some words there is in Spanish.
You thought she was Filipina, right?
Yeah.
Everybody thinks she's Filipina.
Mesa, vaso, caballo,
Cuchara?
cuchara,
El cuchara.
la cuchara,
La cuchara.
el tenedor, cuchillo,
all the Spanish words that they use in Tagalog.
Yeah, so,
I only know a few words like te amo.
te amo, I love you.
Yes, like what else? Totalmente.
Totalmente. Yeah.
Oh wow, very good.
Yeah, that's good. So if you want to learn Spanish, I teach you.
So there's no available rentals right now that are a daily or weekly rental. But when there are available, and they could become available soon, they're between $5,000 and $6,000 a night here for the 1 bedroom. And it goes up from there if you get a 2-bedroom. But I'm sure there's a discount if you stay longer for a month or what have you. But $5,000 to $6,000 a night for the same room we showed you. That was the single room, 1 bedroom, furnished of course. But they don't have anything right now available. It's booked up. All right, guys, we are here at the Royal Indian Curry House here, the One Euphoria building. And we are told this has some really nice Indian food here, and we've never been here. We love Indian food. Here's the menu. Go through here real slow so you can see they have some soups, salads on this first page. Then the appetizers. We're going to do up some appetizers. I think we've decided to do the aloo tiki, and of course Mercy has to have her prawns pakora. We're going to do those 2 appetizers as well as a main course to share. You got to have some naan bread. We love the naan bread. Here's the other items they offer. Go down the list. Curries. A lot of vegetarian choices here as well. A lot of you viewers have requested to show a restaurant with vegetarian choices, and this one seems to have quite a few. Vegetarian delights right here. And then we have a lot of rices here. And breads. Love the naan bread. I always get the garlic naan bread. This chili chicken is interesting. I might do the chili chicken today. I might add that to the menu. What do you think? Chili chicken?
Whatever
Does that sound too too hot for you?
It's okay. I can handle it.
All right. Mercy's like never ready to eat the hot stuff. I want the hottest stuff on the menu, and she never does. So since we're sharing, I'm going to take it easy on her today and try not to get something too hot. All right, Mercy just got her sangria here. Look at that. You got some diced up apples or something going on in there.
Yeah,
it
it's
looks
like.
like.
It smells so good. It's
Yeah.
been so long since my sangria.
Yeah, that looks like a deep red sangria there, huh? Look at those colors there going on. How is it?
Delicious.
And they got our sauces out here for our appetizers. All of our different sauces going on here. I know that one's spicy for sure.
Oh, that's what she said.
Yeah, and this one here is medium flavor. Looks like maybe a cilantro green sauce. And then we have a tamarind sweet sauce. We will try all of those when our appetizers come out. All right, first of our appetizers have arrived. This looks good. Little tiki, what was it? I forgot what I ordered now. They're like little potato fritters, I think.
With honey.
With spices and stuff. We'll break one open and see what it looks like inside before we gotta dip it in these sauces. See how that green one is. Give it a test. All right. Now, what's the name of this one?
Aloo tiki.
Aloo tiki.
Ah, aloo tiki.
Aloo means patatas.
Ah, I see. And here's some shrimp. Look at these. Nice size shrimp, too. How you like that sauce? It's not too spicy?
It's good, but it's hot.
It's too hot to eat? Too hot, too quick. Let it break them open, get some steam out. Let some of the steam out.
I want to try
These
with the
shrimp look
tamarindo.
good. I want to try this. Yeah, you probably like the tamarindo sauce better.
Yeah, I think so.
Dip it right in there. Oh, you're gonna do the spoon version. You're gonna tamarindo it up.
The tamarindo is very popular in Mexico, in my hometown.
Oh yeah. Don't burn your mouth. Yeah?
Better with tamarindo.
All right. I'm just going to take over this little bowl of spicy sauce here because I know Mercy's not going to want any of it. I'm just going to go for it. Let's try this out right here. See how spicy and delicious this is. Oh man. Woo! That hits the spot. Wow. That is hot, man. It is kicking my butt right now. Woo! Going right for the water. Way too much at once. I should have came in slow on that one. Wow. Let me tamarindo that up a little bit too. Let me mix it up. I gotta put some sweet on there. That is delicious, but it is a killer. If you like spicy food, right there. That red sauce is spicy. Let's do a little tamarindo mix. That's better. Toned it down a little bit. Delicious, guys. Yeah, you'd be afraid of that one right there. Don't touch that.
No, I'm not touching it.
That'll put you down. Try some of this garlic naan bread. Give me a piece of that. Boy, that looks delicious. Love all that garlic on there. We got a mild version of this vindaloo. We'll see how mild it is. Get me some chicken vindaloo on the plate. Love this stuff. Dip your naan bread in that. Smell those spices, all that curry. Delicious.
They're good.
That is a big old shrimp right there.
I'm gonna need more of tamarind.
Gonna need more tamarind? I'm gonna try this green one now.
It's good.
I gotta try the green one. I'm gonna try the green one on that shrimp. Because that red one really will kick your butt. Let's go for this one. My mouth's still on fire from that red sauce. Delicious. Delicious. That shrimp, look how big that shrimp is. Big juicy shrimp. That green sauce is a lot milder and it has a great flavor. Red one has a good flavor too, but boy, very good. I'm gonna put a little of this vindaloo on my shrimp right here. Love that vindaloo sauce. Very good. Very good vindaloo. You try it yet? Vindaloo?
I'm going there.
All right. Got to tell you, this garlic naan bread right here, dipped in this sauce, delicious, guys. This vindaloo, and we got this mild. Mercy says it's still spicy.
It's mild for the people they really like.
Well, I can't tell.
Spicy, yeah.
I can't tell if it's spicy right now because my mouth's still on fire from that red sauce. But I tell you what, it has a great flavor. It is delicious. I love the garlic naan in there. Very good garlic naan bread. Love it. Nothing like fried bread. All right, guys, that was it at the Royal Indian Curry House. Very good place to come try, guys.
Delicious.
Beautiful view out here on the One Euphoria building.
Good drink.
17th floor, I think. Nice view. Probably be a nice place to come at night and check out too.
Yes, we're gonna come back at nighttime.
All right. We paid about $27 for our lunch. We ordered a lot of food though.
Yes.
She had that sangria, so
I had to go.
we got to go back. Yeah, we got food for later too. So it's about $27. Well worth it for the view and the atmosphere here. Highly recommend trying this place out.
Yes.
Hope you
try it.
enjoyed the video, guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks for
you.
subscribing.
Thank you.
We'll see you guys on the next one.
See ya.